My Novalife nut milk machine actually has a milkshake function. So if you are interested in making milkshakes at home or just blending up different kinds of creamy, delicious smoothies, this is a really great feature on this machine. This machine has 20 blades, and so it really purees everything very well. And for the price, I mean, it's just such a great option. If you were considering getting a blender, I'm gonna urge you to go check out this nut milk machine instead, because since I said before in my other videos that this actually heats up as well, it's way more advanced than just a blender. But for this recipe, I'm actually making a cherry milkshake using one of my favorite ingredients, which is silken tofu. Then I flavored it with a little almond extract and some agave syrup, and then I put a little bit of soy milk on top with the frozen cherries, and this is so creamy and delicious. But not only is it delicious, it's packed with plant-based protein. So if you know anything about me or you've seen any of my other videos, I love enjoying a high protein plant-based diet, and including foods like silken tofu and soy milk into my diet actually really helps me get a lot of high quality protein every single day. So to make this milkshake, I just put everything into the nut milk machine. I set it to the milkshake function, and after that, I have this really delicious cherry almond milkshake. Look at that, it's so, so good. So I just pour it into a cup, and then after that, as always, clean this machine using the self-cleaning function, and I do that by just filling it with water, setting it to self-clean, and in 10 minutes, it's nice and sanitized. If you've ever tried to clean a blender before, you might have cut your hand like I have. You're not really supposed to stick your hand near the blade, but honestly, sometimes that's the only way I can actually get it clean. So using the self-cleaning function is just such a great feature, especially because it boils everything in there, so you're not only self-cleaning it, but you're also sanitizing it. So having a machine that does a self-clean, I mean, is such a game changer for me, especially because I'm just so busy and cleaning machines is not my favorite thing to do.